Good morning, Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here, and today I have a tip for Sage 50 users. I had a really weird and annoying problem with a client in Sage 50 that's recently upgraded to version 25. When they went to print invoices, some invoice layouts worked absolutely fine, and other invoice layouts, they had wanted to have a new layout that mentioned discounts on it. So we went to a Sage standard layout report and customized it for them. And what they found was with some customers, it would print out fine, and with other customers with their invoices, you would get a message that said no information found for this report. But when you printed out one of their other more standard layouts, it worked absolutely fine. This had me tearing my hair out because we couldn't work out what the theme was as to which ones worked and which ones didn't. So I called Sage support yesterday and got those immortal terms that I get quite often, that this was a known error. Now, I don't know if you've been using Sage for a long time or just recently, but in every address record, you actually have the ability to have customized email addresses in there, and you can tell Sage for different layouts for different customers that you want maybe invoices to go to one email address, statements to go to another, and for different customers they can go to different addresses. And what it means is, in the layout there are quite complicated terms in there for the address or for the where you're emailing things to. You would see something like in the descriptions in there, Dell_address instead of customer.address. What is happening is, with this latest upgrade, some copies of Sage are getting their knickers in a twist, and they don't know which address they need to send things out to. If you're not using this facility of lots of multiple addresses, if you're just using the basic address fields in Sage 50, then there is a solution. It's too complicated to describe in the video, but if you have Sage Cover, you can call them. Even if you don't have Sage Cover, you can call support, because as it's a known error that's stopping it work properly, they will still help you. If you have any trouble with that, then get in touch with me and I can call Sage on your behalf, or I can help you fix the error. It was such a simple change. 3 things needed changing in the invoice layout, and then it worked fine. The other thing that you could do is go through into customers and kind of relink the addresses. But if you've got hundreds of customers, you don't know which ones work and which don't, that can be a right royal pain in the behind. So if you are trying to print invoices, some of them print and some don't, and you're getting a no data found for this report that makes no sense to you, then contact Sage support if you have it, or get in touch with me, Alison Mead, at www.siliconbullet.com, so I can help you with this known error. Thanks, bye.